I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy. Like, finally finally I can talk about my channel getting monetized and getting my first YouTube paycheck. So if you're interested to know how much I have earned as my first YouTube paycheck, continue watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Esther Mopre. So guys, in today's video I want to just share with you guys about my first YouTube paycheck. I know this video will inspire someone. I'm not doing this video to brag or anything, or just show what I've earned without the right motive. My motive is right. I want to encourage anyone who is starting YouTube channel and they think maybe the journey is too far, or they cannot achieve, or they cannot even like get monetized and start earning. This is the video. This is why I'm doing this video. And I'm so happy. This is one of my best video I think I'll ever do, because I'll be sharing something that I have really worked hard for. So in today's video I just want to share about my YouTube journey, how I got to this place. And just to think that anytime I can click 5,000 subscribers and now I'm monetized, I'm getting a check, like, all glory to God, because it's not by my might, it's not by my power. We know all this, whoever strengthens us to do all these things is God. So all glory back to God. So guys, I want to do my first YouTube paycheck, and I want to take you through to my YouTube journey, so that after you know how much I got, at least you'll get something out of this video. So if you want to know the journey, you want to know how much I've got, you know, the mistakes I did, what I would have done better, continue watching. So guys, let me tell you my YouTube journey, so that you can understand where I'm coming from, and you can understand that it didn't just take a week or a month to be where I am, and I'll do it in a quick way so that I may not take much of your time. So I started my channel back in 2018, and I uploaded my first video in February 22nd. That's when I uploaded my first video, and then my first video is still there. I think it was like a casket or something. It was like a skit, I don't know, it was all over the place, but that's when I decided I want to do YouTube videos. And the one thing I remember is that video was meant to be, I shoot that video to post on Facebook, and I posted on Facebook, and it got so many views, like 7,000 views. And I said, why not post it on YouTube and see what you'll do. The video just got like 3 views. I come back the other day, it has 10 views. The video just like remained in 10 views, and I was so discouraged. I didn't understand why could this video, the same video on Facebook, it has 7,000 views, but when it comes to YouTube it has like 10 views. But back then I barely had subscribers. I think I had like 10 subscribers. So I don't know, because I was starting my channel, and that's when I decided, oh, I want to try YouTube and see what I can do. Even I didn't know what to post, what to share. And if you can see, my first videos were all over the place. I was doing random things, and that's how I started. So don't be afraid of starting. If you don't even know what you want to start with, just start. My message is just start. Do something. If you do something, the nature will just direct you. So that's my journey. I started back in 2018. So let's say 2018 to 2019 Feb, that's 1 year. 2019 to 2022, 2019 to 2020 Feb, that's 2 years. So I have 2 years on YouTube. And one mistake I did in 2019, from January to I think August, September, I didn't post anything. Like, I went MIA on my YouTube channel. And remember guys, something I have missed, in 3 months after I've decided what I want to do, I learned a lot of YouTube here and there. I got my 1,000 subscribers in just 3 months. So after I got my 1,000 subscribers, like, it's like I relaxed. I thought, oh, now I'm achieving and everything. But the hardest thing was the 4,000 hours watched, and that was the hardest. It was the hardest thing to achieve the 4,000. That was the hardest. So come 2019, I was feeling like I don't want to do YouTube anymore, so I didn't upload any video, even on my YouTube, like analytics of in 2019 to like September, there's nothing. I didn't post anything. Then last year from September I started posting, and then now 2020 is when I decided it's either I do YouTube or I don't do it. I don't want to be in between. Even the Bible says it's either you be hot or cold, don't be in between. And on YouTube, that's my message. It's either you are doing YouTube or you're not, because the thing of coming, uploading one video, then going MIA 1 month, 2 months, it will not help. You'll be just wasting your time. People will follow you, and then the other day you're nowhere to be found, and people will get tired. And that's when I noticed how, so if I be consistent every day, or even I'm consistent posting twice a week or once a week, I'm making progress. So in 2020 I decided I want to be very aggressive on my uploads, and I went out of my way, like I would upload videos 2020 all the way. So in March 2020, your girl got 4,000 hours watch time. So I was monetized in March 15th. I got monetized, and my pin was sent to me, and I was told when I received the pin, this is what I was told. If I receive this pin, let me seal like this. If I receive this pin, I know now I'm getting paid. But immediately after March 15th, they started putting adverts on my channel. So another thing, that's a video of another day. That's a video of another day. I decided to rearrange my content. Once again, I was calling myself Esmo Fashion. I've never addressed this, but I saw there was no point. I was calling myself Esmo Fashion, and I decided to rearrange, like to take a turn around and start afresh, because I've achieved the 4,000 hours. I had 1,000 subscribers. I wanted to do something different, so I started doing education content, and I wanted to change the Esmo Fashion name, and I changed to Esther Mofree, because even Esmo means Esther Mofree. So I removed the fashion, I just call myself Esther Mofree, and I changed everything. And from that day up to now, hey, things have been going well. I have seen great progress on my channel. I've been getting massive engagement on my channel. People love my content. I get a lot of messages every day, and I love it, and I'm glad I changed everything. So guys, let's now go to the money, because I know everyone wants to know how much have you earned. You have told us all these things. You have told us your YouTube channel. Tell us the money. I know everyone wants to know how much I've earned, and I'm here to tell you guys what I have earned. Hey, and I think I'll do a separate video to explain in details why I have earned this money, or why I have earned this money. Yes, I'll do a separate video explaining very well, because if there's someone who has analyzed YouTube, I think it's me. I analyze everything. I analyze everything, and I know what is working, what is not working, and everything, and I know one day I'll crack it. So guys, let me show you. I'll share a screenshot, my first YouTube paycheck, like the money I have earned so far on YouTube. So let me see if I get the screenshot. So my first money that I have earned on YouTube. I can't believe I'm sharing this. This was the most video that I've always wanted to share. So in dollars, I have earned $490 from April, because on March 15th I earned nothing. I won't lie to you, that month, even if I was monetized, I was earning nothing. Videos were being put on my ads were being put on my videos, but no one was watching my videos. So if nobody is watching your videos, you won't earn, and nobody was watching my videos. So in month of March, after getting monetized, I earned nothing. In the month of April, that's when I started earning. So I have earned a total earnings of $490 in Kenya shillings. That's 52,223 Kenya shillings. So with 52,000, guys, that's good money. If you ask me, I've done YouTube for 2 years. I've never gotten a shilling. So if now I'll be getting a check of 50K, I I don't know what to say. I think I say thank you, God. So guys, I know was telling you how much I have earned, and I know this money is increasing because what I earned on April, it like tripled on April, May, on May, and what I've earned on May, on June, it tripled. What I earned on May, on June, it tripled. Like it's unbelievable, guys. And that's why I'm saying I'll do a detailed video. If you want me to do a detailed video on how to check the best CPM, how to know who is watching your videos, how to know what's happening on your analytics, give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know if you want that video, because I have the information, guys. I have the information, but I don't want to share it here because this video is all, it's about showing you how much I've earned, my first YouTube paycheck. So I have earned 50k, that's 50,000 Kenya shillings, 52,000 Kenya shillings, and $490. So yeah, and I'm so happy, I'm so grateful, because it takes patience, it takes hard work, it takes self-driven, it takes everything, guys. It has not been easy. I upload 5 videos in a week from Monday to Friday, 5 videos in a week, and it's my decision. It's not like I'm getting burnout. I've never even complained. I'm uploading these videos and getting feedback from people saying they love my videos. I know I'm doing good job, and I know I'm helping so many people, because my channel is all about making money online, That's my content these days, and I want to show people how to make money online. And if you want to start a YouTube channel, comment down below. You can start earning this money. It's very easy, but it needs self-discipline. So guys, that's how much I've earned. Thank you so much for watching. I could not have earned this money if it's not for you. You watching me made this possible. You watching my videos, you watching my ads made this possible. And if you're watching ads even in this video, don't skip it. We need to earn this money, because it takes a lot of time to come up with those contents and to help you all. So the only thing you can do is to watch the ads. So guys, I'm so grateful. I'm almost at 5,000. I don't know if before I release, because this video I'm filming this video on 18th, and maybe it's go maybe on 21st, I don't know. If you're watching this video and have not even reached 5,000, kindly hit the red button, because I want to reach to 5k guys, 5,000. I want to reach 5,000. That's my goal. For this month I want to hit the 5k. If I'll have hit 5k, still subscribe to my YouTube channel, because the next goal is 10,000. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and everyone. Whoever calls me, whoever texts me, whoever inboxes me, whoever asks questions, I'm here for you. I'm here to assist you and help you. So give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know. So guys, thank you so much. Until next time, bye bye. Love you.